Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will be presenting about our group project for the subject human computer interaction for the project design thinking approach. So firstly, let me introduce our group members. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Mir Munir.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Zulhafizal bin Misrat.
And my name is Faris Hamidi bin Muhammad Nizam.
Okay. So let's start our presentation. Firstly, the introduction into our apps. So the theme that we choose is the healthcare and medicine because we want to relate our apps with what is happening around the world right now, which is the global pandemic. And also the name of our apps is GetFit Apps, or the short form of it is the GF apps. So basically, our apps help the user to record their daily activities, such as their steps, and then the distance that they have covered, and also their heartbeat. So activities by using our apps. So we start with our prototype by Zoha Fizal.
Okay, first we go to the main page prototype. So as you can see here, the main page is have Facebook, Google, and login, which is user can log in using that platform, which is Facebook and Google, and also user can log in normally, but before that they must create an account if they a new user. Okay, next. So next we go to the prototype, which is login page, sign up page, and verification page. So for the new user, they will go to the sign up page first, which is when they go to the sign up page, they need to key in their username and also email address and the password, and then there will be a 4-digit code will be sent to their email, and they need to key in it in the verification page, and it will verify, and there is the complete of the account. So after that, user will go to the login page and continue to login. Okay.
Okay, next, after the user had logged in into our apps, they will be prompt into the home page. So what we want to do in our apps is we want to create a minimal design so that the user can straight away look at their daily activities they when they already log in into our apps. So on the homepage, we straight away put the distance, the steps, and also the heartbeat, the heartbeat record of the user, so that they can minimize their time to actually see what is his or her record for today. And then from the homepage, we also have the logout symbol where the user can then log out from our apps, and also the side menu symbol where the user can go into the multiple feature of our apps. Okay, next. Okay, the first feature of our apps is the profile page where the user can fill in their details inside here, and also they can, after they fill in their detail, they can update their detail also in this page. This is the profile page, and then the next one is the distance page where the user can see their distance for that particular day, and also the past record of the user's distance on the previous day. This bar can be scrolled down to see their their past record.
Okay, so the next UI is pedometer and heartbeat page. So for the pedometer page, which is in the first picture, it shows the steps that the user has taken for the day. So from the picture, the user has take 4,980 steps. Uh, and in these apps, they can set a daily target of steps for them to achieve. And in this example, it shows the user has walked 50% of the daily target. The user can also look through the pedometer history where they can look for their their steps from the previous days. Okay, so the next page is heartbeat page, uh, where the user can scan their heart rate. So from the example, uh, the heartbeat is 65 BMP, and the apps also can show the health condition of the user through the heartbeat, which is in the example is great. So next.
Okay, so next we go to the discussion of our findings. So we got this finding after we interview three of the users in the user testing. So for the first user, said that the prototype, the application is very dull and not interesting. So she suggests that the interface needs more entertainment like videos, pictures, and others. And also, she suggests to include instruction that can ease the user way when they are using the apps. So this is already be implemented in the improved UI of ours. So next, the second user stated that make the interface change in color, which is it can distinguish between bad and good, which is green equals to good and bad equals to red. And also she add that uh, for suggest that to add simple daily health tips and put the health news at the homepage, which is also being implemented. So next, the third user said that our prototype needs more functions related to the healthcare, and also he asked us to remove the navigation bar at the top of the prototype because it is distracting to the user, as he said. Okay, that's all for the discussion of the finding. So next.
Okay, so for the improved prototype, the improved prototype is done after we did the user testing. As we can see from the user one, from the user one, yes, from the user one, she said that uh, to, she suggests to include instruction or some kind of tutorial when we start the apps, so that the user can straight away learn how to use the apps easily. So what we do is that we put the tutorial on every page of our apps. When a user first log in into our apps, they will be prompt into this page where it shows the tutorial. Either they want to go on with the tutorial, they can press the let's go button, or they can skip the tutorial and straight away use our apps as usual. So this one is for the homepage tutorial. If the user press let's go, then they will be from into this page, this tutorial. And then this one, I took the example of one of our page for the profile page, where how the user can how the tutorial will show the user to use the profile page. And then next, this is set by the second user, where to include health related news inside our apps. So since our apps looks very minimalistic, and it does not have it has very less interaction with the user, so we put the news column record under the record under the daily record of the user. So if when user scroll down on the homepage, they will see multiple news is that are related into to healthcare and medicine.
Okay. Next is the improved prototype is in the pedometer page. So one of the user that we interview said that the navigation bar at the top distracting her from uh, interact with the application. So we remove the navigation bar, as you can see from the picture at the right side, uh, so that the user will not be distracted from using our apps. And the next is the color. One of the user uh, stated that we need to use the color such as green and red for bed. In this example, we show that the progress of 50%, which is not completed yet, and we colored it red to indicate that the progress is not completed. So, and the last image shows progress is 100% in a green color, which is the progress of the day, the daily target has completed. So next.
So finally, we got into the conclusion. So in conclusion, overall of our users said that our application and prototype is dull and boring. So we really need an improvement for our prototypes, and in terms of the colors, the user interaction, and also the background and other things. So I think we will improve it more in the future, and that's all for our presentation. Thank you very much for listening and hope you enjoy. Thank you.